Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Canva clone selfie camera app, kind of a static application in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is actually the full demo of this application. So this is a full directory structure. It's using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You can directly purchase it. The link is given in the description. So once you purchase it, you will get the source code from Google Drive. And this is actually the application here. You just need to allow the camera access. So once you allow the camera access, it will actually load the application. It has various effects. You can click it, take a photo, and the countdown will begin. It will take the photograph, and then you can save this image directly in the browser. So we are running this application locally. It's also very easy for you to deploy this application as well. It also have various effects. You will see you can take any effect, for example. So you can just see here, it's a Canva clone camera selfie kind of an application. It has various effects of Instagram, Snapchat, everything. You will see that you can apply with a single click. So my camera quality is not good. So that's why you can't see clearly my face, but you have all these effects available with a matter of a single click. You can add all these effects. So we have built entirely in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You can directly purchase it and all these effects with a matter of click. And just you click, you can see that. Now you can save this very easily and post it to any social media template. So the link is given, guys. If you're interested in purchasing it, the link is given in the description. It's a Canva clone camera selfie app.